Okay. So we took off mga 3:30. Now it's 4. Doon lang tayo papasok. Akyat tayo ng Gulugod. Kain lang tayo ng kain. Papull lang tayo para onting snacks na lang later. Tambay tayo real quick dito. Ate. Okay. Okay, let's go. Pinagbigyan tayo ng araw. Hindi umulan or kahit man umambon, that's very good. So tayong kumain. Refueled ng onte and here we go. Akyat na tayo. Papakita lang ako guys. See? Look at this. Parang a month or two ago tumambay ako dito. Hindi pa to ganito eh. Mas lumala siya ngayon kasi ulan-ulan. Malapit na to eh. But tingnan mo. Hindi yan ganyan last time. Medyo onti na lang yung buhay noon. I hope na gawa nila ng paraan. Sana walang mangyaring masama. And anyway, dito na tayo sa parking. Like, ayan na siya actually. This is my tambayan right here. Favorite spot. Kiyat lang tayo. Woo! That felt so good. I miss this. Na-miss ko to. Man, na-miss ko to. Wow. Kita ba? Na-miss ko to, grabe. But I'll show you later kung ano pa yung na-miss natin. Spot lang tayo. See where we will pitch and get a view.
Wala ang tao dyan mamaya.
Safe naman. Safe naman tayo.
Safe naman tayo. Kasi tingin ko gusto mo ng privacy, napapansin ko. Palisin mo natin ito.
Galing mo dun kuya. Sige, tambay mo na ako dito. Kahapon, maraming tao.
Hindi, kasi maulan kahapon.
Ay, maulan.
Ay, ngayon lang maganda pa naman ito yung ang babayaran mo lang eh.
Okay, lahat boss. Okay. Pumesto ako dun mamaya. Chill for a moment. Yun yung spot natin for tonight. Kasi dun lang pwede yung motor. Patayin ko nga muna to. Whew. Dun lang pwede yung motor. At saka yung mga kotse pwede tumambay dun. Kasi dito tayo dyan kailangan mag-track ng onte pati doon yun yung pinaka-summit. Okay, okay na yung spot natin dito. Ito muna natin yung ilaw ng motor. Kailangan lang naman natin sa ngayon is upuan. Okay, and that's goodbye for them. Yan yung munting setup ko for a couple of minutes. Here's the dark. Ako na lang mag-isa. Syempre di nyo kita. Pero let's put some lights on. Here we go. up. The moon is shining. So just in case umulan, we have this. So yun yung main purpose nito. But gawa tayo ng paraan sa tulugan natin later. Just a quick nap kasi gising din tayo magdamag na ito for sure. Ayun. Unang emergency pack. Kakapit tayo in a bit. Goods. I'm good with that. Lumalamig na. Sarap na chill natin ito. Ganda ng music ng kapitbahay natin. I like it. Kala ko solo lang ako today. Well, technically solo lang naman ako, pero you know, I was hoping for like a really silent night, but it's okay. Okay naman yung ganyan. So now I do want some coffee. Sugar. Ooh. Okay, may set up natin. Baby, come back. The moon is starting the show. Coffee muna tayo. Let's take that sip of coffee. Liwanag talaga ng buwan. Wow. I can stare at it all night long. Liwanag ng buwan. Time for jacket. Kasi malamig na. Tinatay natin yung ilaw kasi di naman talaga kailangan yan. Aesthetics lang yan. Arte-arte lang. Tingnan mo ganong kaliwanag yan. Let's get a shot of the moon. Let's lock the tripod. Locking the tripod in. We're getting there. We're getting there. And we're there. How beautiful is that? Let it lapse. Lagyan natin ng background music. So, clouds. Huwag kayo humarang. Let me have this shot for now. And then. Okay. So it's getting dark. Kita parang yung city lights. There's camp. Kanina sobrang liwanag. And you know why? Because the moon has Earth's shadow casted over it. Yep. Okay, let's get a better pusher on this. Yeah. So that's Earth shadow right there. Cool stuff, diba? Hello, universe. What's that? It's color red. It's color red. It's color red. Thank you for a beautiful show. Super awesome. My goodness. Morning. Balot na balot. Nahirapan ako sa lamig. Morning camp. Sun is gonna rise dun sa kabila. Kaidlit din. Ang ingay ng cricket. Buti talaga naglagay ako ng tarp kahit hindi umulan. Kasi kung hindi, yung lahat ng basang yan, sa akin yan. I'm gonna check the sunrise. So everything looks safe naman. Diyan lang naman ako. Kita naman yan. And here's a golden morning. Wow. That's so vibrant. Wow. What a vibrant morning. Okay. So we're just gonna get those morning shots. Kain ako Pancit Canton. Tapos magkape. Tambay ako ng konti. Let's wait for the sun to rise a bit para matuyo yung tarp, tsaka puno ng moist kasi yung iba. And let's just enjoy the view a little. No big plans on tambay na matagal kasi kailangan din natin umuwi. But yeah, that's initially the plan talaga. Solo camping, motor camping. Dapat the other week or nung Saturday, pero tamang timing lang, syempre sinabay na natin para witness natin yung blood moon, which we did. Beautiful show, and pasok tayo mamaya. Work, that's okay, medyo puyat pero walang hindi kaya. So yep, chill muna ako and we'll drive back home.